to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something very exciting, also a little nerve-wracking. I'm going to be dyeing my hair of a new color. I haven't dyed it this color before, so that's why I'm excited and also a little nervous because I don't know how it's going to look. But you know, you kind of take a chance when you dye your hair. And I know a lot of people with natural hair get nervous when it comes to coloring and bleaching their hair, as they are afraid they will damage or loosen their curl pattern. So I'm going to show you a trick to maintain moisture in your curl pattern and also reduce breakage so you won't have to worry. And as an included bonus, I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my curl pattern on a regular basis. The color that I chose was from L'Oreal Paris Fiera. It's their Rosy Blush Smoky Pink. Normally I don't buy box set dyes like this, but I just saw it and the color caught my eye and I just put it in my cart and bought on a whim, and here we are. Normally I do reach for just a plain color and mix it in with developer on my own, but in this kit it includes a sheet of instructions that's very detailed, the shimmering conditioner color cream, which is the actual color, which you mix in with the shimmering conditioning developer cream, the power shimmer conditioner, which you have to continuously use after dyeing every time you wash your hair to help maintain the shine and the color. So to ensure that my hair retains its curl pattern and does not break off into a million pieces, I'm going to be using the Ion Color Brilliance Absolute Perfection Kit. It comes with the Absolute Perfection Booster, which I'm going to include using this little measuring cup that was also included, and I will just insert that into developer and the color cream. And after the color processes, I will use the color sealer, which helps retain the moisture and the smoothness. Using the included pair of gloves, let's get started. The product in my hair. Now that my hair looks like this, so this has to process for 20 minutes, so I will be right back. So it's been about 20 minutes now. I'm going to rinse this out and put in the color sealer. Okay, so I finished drying my hair. I dried my hair with a t-shirt because if you use a towel, it's too harsh and your hair will frizz up. I'm going to start styling my hair, and to do that, first I moisturize with As I Am's Double Buttercream. I just take a little bit and just run it all the way through my hair. I think the color came out okay, but I guess some parts of my hair were unevenly bleached and it shows with the color, so I don't know. I guess it's more of a rose gold than like a pastel pink, as the box says. After moisturizing my hair, I use As I Am's curling jelly, and what I do with this is I kind of just put some on my finger, rub it together, and I go through each curl and just wrap it on my finger, and I do this throughout my whole entire head. Like I said, it's a process, but it's definitely worth it. Once I've finished with the curling jelly, now I go in with this Ecostyle Gel with black castor flaxseed oil, and I just do the same thing. I just take some gel between my fingers and running through each coil of my hair. Okay, so now that I finished curling my hair with the gel, the next thing I'm going to do is just gel down my edges, just because it gives me a more finished look. So I just use the same gel and just get a little bit on my finger, run it down my edges like so, and do the same on the other side as well. And then I just take a toothbrush that I use for gelling down my edges, and I kind of just make little swoops all the way down my hairline. I don't really try to make them like symmetrical or anything. I kind of just do it. It looks different every day, and that's the fun part about it. My hair still is a little wet right now, but once it dries, it'll have more volume, but it will look something like this. That is how I style my hair, and that is how you can curl your hair at home. I really just want to try to explain that it's not scary or hard to bleach or dye your hair at home, especially if you have natural hair. But regardless, it's important to research your curl pattern and really get to know what works well with your hair. Really learn how you can keep it moisturized, what products work and what don't, which can be a bit of a bother, but these products are really good, so I recommend them, the As I Am product. Yeah, just embrace your curls and just embrace your natural hair. I think it's really important to do that. And even though I did just change the color of it, but I still like to keep the integrity of my hair, so that's why I like using things like this that help keep the curl and not make it loose. I feel like my hair is a lot happier and healthier even when I do add color to it, but I still try to use natural things in my hair like shea butter and different kinds of oils to retain moisture and health to my hair. I do cut it just to keep it low because I like it short. So that's the end of my video. I hope you guys learned something from it. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe because I'm going to have new videos every week. And also leave a comment on what do you think about this color. Personally, I was expecting it to be a bit lighter, so I'm ready for it to fade and be brighter. But other than that, I think it came out okay. I think I just wasn't expecting this color. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Bye!